In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with GoDaddy Shared cPanel web hosting. By the end, you'll have a WordPress site up and running with a clear path to customize it, secure it, and get it ready for visitors. Start by purchasing a domain name and a hosting plan from GoDaddy. If you don't already own a domain, many annual plans include one at no extra cost, which is a nice bonus. If you do have a domain, you can use that instead. During checkout, select a managed hosting for WordPress plan. This option streamlines installation, performance, and updates so you can focus on building rather than configuring servers. After your purchase, head to your GoDaddy product page. Look for the Managed Hosting for WordPress section and choose Manage All. In the top right corner, select Create WP Site. This opens a guided setup wizard that keeps things simple and minimizes the chance of missing a step. The wizard first asks whether you want to build a brand new site or move an existing one. Choose the option that applies to you. Next, you'll create the WordPress admin username and password. Pick strong, unique credentials and store them somewhere safe since you'll use these to log into your dashboard. You'll also select a data center location. Choose the region closest to your primary audience for faster load times. Once WordPress finishes installing, it's time to build and customize your website. Start by choosing a theme that fits your brand and goals. Use the preview to test how it looks on desktop and mobile, and only activate it when you're happy. Then add your essential pages, think home, about, contact, services, or blog, and begin drafting clear, helpful content. Good structure helps both visitors and search engines understand your site. Next, configure your navigation. In the WordPress dashboard, set up your menu so visitors can easily find your key pages. Keep labels short and descriptive, and set your homepage and blog page in your reading settings if needed. To enhance functionality, install only the plugins you truly need. Popular categories include SEO tools, form builders, caching for speed, security, and backups. Keep your plugin list lean to avoid bloat and conflicts. Finally, activate SSL so your website loads over HTTPS. Enable it from your hosting dashboard if available, then confirm that your site URL in WordPress uses HTTPS and that you see the secure padlock in the browser. That's it. Your site is live, secure, and ready to grow. Keep refining your content, watch your performance, and update your theme and plugins regularly for a smooth, reliable experience.